In this video, I will show you how you can see student submissions in Schoology after you've already graded that assignment. On your course dashboard, your to-do list shows assignments that are waiting to be graded. Right now, I don't have any listed. I do see some upcoming assignments, but nothing is listed as having been submitted by a student recently. However, this isn't the case. Take a look at my gradebook. If you have students submit their work directly to an assignment, this icon that looks like a piece of paper indicates that they have done so. If you gave them a grade before they submitted their work, like a 0 or partial credit, and then they submit or resubmit something, it does not show up in your to-do list. Either the student would have to tell you that they turned something in, or you would have to look through all of your assignments for the paper icon. And as you can see, late into the semester, that can be overwhelming. Here's how you can make those assignments stand out. Click on View and go down to Graded with New Submission. Click it and Schoology will highlight items that have been graded previously but have received new submissions. It's a little tricky to see since what I'm looking for is the same shade of blue, but what you're going to look for are boxes that look like this. So this assignment was already graded, but the student submitted something or resubmitted, and now I can review and grade it. Other options in the View drop-down, it says that I have 5 assignments that need to be graded, but that's not quite true because that includes assignments that I have exempted the student from. Also know that not submitted can include assignments in which students didn't have to submit anything. And you can have multiple of these checked at once. Also under View, you can have Schoology highlight assignments that were marked as absent, exempt, incomplete, missing, or missing but has a submission, and late. These top 6 are ones that you would have put in the gradebook, not assignments that the gradebook automatically marked, like an assignment that was turned in after the due date. And under View, you can also show the full titles of your assignments, which can be helpful, and show the grading scale. So I grade on a 4-point scale, and now when I click on an assignment to grade it, the scale pops up for me. So that is how you can see student submissions after you've already given them a grade for that assignment in Schoology.